Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix no rest for the wicked game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, lagging, freezing or showing black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements. So when you go to Steam and check or search for the game, after that go below. From here you will find the system requirements to play the game. Here are the system requirements. Check your system requirements and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to update graphics card. So for that go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to modify launch option. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to move game to SSD. So if you are suggested to check if your game is installed on SSD or not. If not, you are suggested to move the game to SSD. You can check it from here. Go to Steam, click on settings. Now click on storage and here all the games are installed on SSD and here all the games are installed on other drive. So if your game is on other drive, you have to move to the game to the SSD. Simply select it and then you have to click on move option and this will move your game to SSD. After that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Next is to run game as administrator. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game applications. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If the issue still occurs, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and then move to the next method. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, click on OK and after that launch the game and check. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background. You have to close them. So select it. After selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that launch the game and check. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to play the game and see if it works. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that Steam users go to Steam, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, click on game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay options. Next is to clear download cache. So for that again go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below. Now click on clear download cache. So here you have to click on clear cache and you will get this pop-up that will state this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So simply confirm it. After confirming it, log into Steam once again and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. So once the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. After downloading it, open the link and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After that, close this and restart your PC once. Once your system restarts, now log into the game and check. If not, next method is to update system BIOS. For that, you have to check your motherboard model. Now visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing and finally restart your system and then test the game whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings. Now click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on Set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the problem. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add the game to the list. After that, go below, search your game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, select high performance and after that, launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall No Rest for the Wicked game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your system. After that, restart your PC once. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and reinstall the No Rest for the Wicked game once again and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging freezing or black screen error on No Rest for the Wicked game on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.